our dual drain boards with sink for our dishwashers. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 60 inches. 60 inches applies to the left and right drain board with a depth of 30 inches, height of 44 inches tall, and without the backsplash, we have 37 inches tall. Depth and height applies to the left and right drain boards. Coming to the right area of the actual drain board itself, we have 32 inches in length by 26 inches in depth. Measurements for the sink, we have 20 inches in length, 20 inches in depth, by 5 inches in height. Included will be the sink strainer, along with the swivel head faucet. Measurements for the faucet will include 8 inches for the spout and 8 inches for the left and right mount. Measurements for the left drain board, we have a length of 58 inches and a depth of 26 inches. Please note that the left and right legs on each drain board will be cut to height to go along with the height of the dishwasher. On each front end will be clips that will be inserted onto the lip of the dishwasher. So to the left and right drain boards will be clips on the front to go along and inserted onto the lip of the dishwasher. NSF certification stickers on the left and right drain boards. And please note that the dishwasher is sold separate, as this is a demonstration and showcase for the left and right drain boards only. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.